Hello. Today we are going to talk about a scientist who left his mark on psychology, Ivan Pavlov. Even if you haven't heard of him, you've definitely heard of his experiments. You know the story of dogs, ringing bells, and saliva? That's exactly what we're talking about. But Pavlov not only fooled dogs, he also made a great contribution to our understanding of human behavior. If you're ready, let's take a trip back in time and take a look at Pavlov's life and his experiments. Yes, Pavlov, a Russian scientist. He was born in 1849 at a time when he could say, I was born to be a scientist. Actually, his parents wanted him to become a priest, but what did he do? He said, thank you, but I'd rather hypnotize dogs. And he turned to science. He studied medicine, studied the digestive system, and even won the Nobel Prize in 1904. But ironically, it wasn't the digestive system that made him famous. It was trying to figure out when dogs drool. Now imagine this. You're waiting for lunch, and suddenly you hear click coming from the kitchen and your mouth waters. This is exactly what Pavlov realized, but on dogs instead of humans. The dogs in Pavlov's lab would start salivating as mealtime approached before they even saw the food bowl. This is something, Pavlov said, and immediately designed an experiment. One first, he gave the dogs food. Guess what? They drooled. Two, then he started ringing a bell before each meal. Three, after a few repetitions, they were salivating just at the sound of the bell. Yes, friends, the dogs were fooled by Pavlov. But this experiment was a revolutionary discovery about learning and habits. It was called classical conditioning, and it brought a whole new perspective to the learning process. Pavlov's work was not limited to dogs. His findings have also played a major role in our understanding of human psychology. So where is classical conditioning used? Here are a few examples. Advertising. By constantly showing us products that bring us happiness and pleasure, we develop positive associations with that brand. Addictions. If you have developed a habit of smoking or drinking coffee in certain situations, it has something to do with Pavlov's theory. Fears and phobias. If you were scared when you saw a spider as a child, your brain may have associated it with danger and turned it into a phobia. Pavlov made great contributions to the world of science, and even today his theories are used in many fields, from education to therapies. So, are there moments in your life when you see the Pavlovian effect? For example, being transported to the past when you hear a song or recalling old memories when you smell something? These are all moments when conditioning is at work. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you in the next episode. Bye.